Hello students, welcome again to your SST class. As you know, we are reading lesson number 13, Famous People of the World. And today we will start from Sarojini Naidu. She is another famous poet of the world like Rabindranath Tagore. First of all, Sarojini Naidu's lifespan. She was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She died of a heart attack on 2nd March 1949. Her birthplace was Hyderabad and she died because of a heart attack after the independence of India in 1949. An Indian freedom fighter. Freedom fighter means a person who fights or works for the freedom of the country. Like our famous freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Shahid Bhagat Singh, etc. So Sarojini Naidu was also an Indian freedom fighter. Sarojini Naidu, also known as Sarojini Chattopadhyay, was a famous Indian poet and a reputed freedom fighter who subsequently became the first Indian woman to be appointed as the president of the Indian National Congress and a governor of a state in India after independence. Sarojini is also called Sarojini Chattopadhyay, and she had many status in society, like she was a famous poet, a famous freedom fighter also. She was also the first Indian woman who was at the post of president of a political party. She was the president of Indian National Congress Party, and also she worked as a governor of a state after independence. Participant of the Indian independence movement. As an active participant of the Indian independence movement, Naidu joined the national movement after taking Gandhi's call and joined him in the popular salt satyagrah to Dandi. She was an active participant, means she worked actively during the independence movement, and she was also a part of national movement and Mahatma Gandhi's salt satyagrah, that is called Dandi March also. She helped Gandhiji because he invited her to participate in these movements. This type of images are the proof of her role in independence movement. Post of the governor after independence. With the Indian independence in 1947, Sarojini Naidu was made the governor of Uttar Pradesh. It means she worked as a governor of Uttar Pradesh after the independence of India. A master of children's literature. She was a noted child prodigy and a master of children's literature. It means she was a genius and perfect writer in the area of children's literature. Her best books: The Golden Threshold, The Gift of India, The Broken Wing, these are her famous books. The Nightingale of India. Naidu was given the nickname Bharat Kokila, the Nightingale of India, on account of her beautiful poems and songs. It means because of her poems and songs, she was compared to a bird who has a very sweet voice and hence given a title of Nightingale. And now we will move to the famous political leaders of the world. First of all, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the most famous and kind president of the USA. Early life. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 in a farmer's family in the USA. It means he belonged to a poor family of a farmer by birth. He worked as a farm laborer and storekeeper. He did labor in the fields and also worked as a storekeeper. He did not have any formal schooling. It means he did not go school for study regularly, but still he was a genius personality. He took up law as a career. It means he started to study law and he became a famous lawyer. President of the United States. He was elected President of the United States in 1860. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He became President of America in 1860, and he was the 16th President of the United States of America. Political career. Before being elected to the presidency, Lincoln was a successful lawyer and Illinois state legislator and a member of the United States House of Representatives. Lincoln did different jobs during his lifetime, as he was a successful lawyer, a legislator also. Legislator means a person who makes the law. It means he worked as a lawmaker of a state named Illinois, and he also worked as a member of House of Representatives like our Indian Parliament. Features of his presidency. Illustrious success in defeating the secessionists. Features means how he worked for the welfare of the people of his country, means how he worked as a president or a chief of a country. Illustrious success in defeating the secessionists. Illustrious means admirable. It means he was very admirable in getting success by defeating the secessionists. Secessionist means some persons who were against the nation, means who wanted to stay separate from the nation. So he tried to solve the problems of secessionists, and he was successful in that task. Abolition of slavery. Slavery means poor people had to work under the restrictions of the rich people. It means the rich people dominated the poor people. So Lincoln also ended these processes of slavery, and in this way he was responsible for the abolition of slavery. Neutralizing a warlike situation with the United Kingdom in 1861. It means he settled down some situations of war between United Kingdom, means England, and USA. So he settled down the situations with his genius mind. A martyr. He was a martyr. His assassination in 1865 was the first ever presidential assassination in the US history, which made him a martyr. Assassination means murder. It means he was murdered by a person of USA, and in this way, because of his murder, he was declared martyr. Death. Many people were against his generous policies. It means many people in USA, those did not like his generous policies. Generous means kind. It means he was very kind to the people of his country and people of the world also. So on the night of April 14, 1865, when he was returning from theatre, he was shot dead by a southerner. And one day he was coming back to home and a southerner man killed him. His death was mourned all over the world, and because of his death, all the people of the world were very sad, because he was a genius person in reality.